This is a van tour of GB Camper Conversion's conversion on the new shape Citroen Berlingo. So we'll start round the back. As you can see, it's nice and bright. We have plenty of storage going down to one side in the storage unit. You've got 3 compartments, plenty of access down the bottom, nice cupboard doors above. They're on spring-loaded hinges. And we come inside, you have the lift-up worktop, enough space there for a 2-burner gas stove or any other appliance you might want to put in there. Electrical sockets, you've got the USB, the 12-volt cigarette lighter socket and the battery gauge with the magazine netting. So the bed system works nice and simple. Pull the handle on the front, slide it across until it won't go no further. And taking the rear cushion, dropping it down, just push down firmly, it'll slot in there nicely. Work your way round to the front. Driver's seat forward. Again, grab the back of the seat and the bottom, slide forward. Drop your cushion in there. Make sure you push the runner all the way to the front. Pop it down. Nice, firm, flat bed. 1700 long by 900 wide. Still getting access to your cupboards and your magazine net. And below the front seat there, what we've done, we've put the leisure battery and the storage only for the gas bottle. It's not used there, it's just for storage. You'd have to take it out to use it. Putting the bag back down, same as what you did in reverse. Driver's seat back, put the backrest up, come back round to the other seat, take the backrest out, just pop it on top, slide the seat back as far as it will go, and then just pop the backrest into its position. You can leave it lying down if you wanted to, but we've just shown it there in the video. This is your dining table. Again, it's located on the front of the storage unit. You can use it inside the van with both seats there, so that you can sit on either seat to dine. And we have made it so that there's a table rail on the rear of the unit, so it can be used outside. Again, the rearmost seat we've made removable, and it's nice and lightweight. Just remove your cushion from your backrest, pop the seat outside alongside your dining table. You've also got access there to the 12-volt socket should you wish to plug anything in there. Nice comfy seat sitting outside doing some alfresco dining. Or again, if you leave that unit outside or leave it at home and you're just going out on your own, you can use that dining table back inside, because it's got the adjustable leg. You can now adjust that leg to whatever height that you want. Just undo the screw at the bottom, adjust the leg to suit yourself. Got a nice little dining table there, a bit more space. Still get to your hatch, get to your doors, your plates, your dishes, get your condiments out, knives and forks, tuck in. Now this feature on this particular van was for getting out of the vehicle while you were inside. So we've fitted a push button. If you push the button and push the door, that works like you're using the button from the outside. Now this particular build, we were asked to put a storage compartment in for a toilet. So we've put it at the back of the passenger seat. You can still then come round and use it in the standing area of the back, nice and private. If you want to use the toilet, then just bring it back round through that passenger rear door into its own little compartment, and that just sits there nicely. So at GB Camper Conversions, we do bespoke conversions, so we can alter layouts, we can change things. You can have different choices of fabric for your seating. You can use different furniture boards, various styles, various finishes, the same as the worktop. You can also change the vinyl flooring. There's so many different options that we can do for you. So you need to contact us, gbcamperconversions.com. There is an inquiry form. Like and subscribe. Thank you.